Shalom, shalom, shanipo. In this session, we shall look at the similarity between the Bantu words and the Hebrew words, starting with the letter Hey, which is pronounced as H. Haikal. Haikal means palace. This is a residence of a god or a king. Aikala in Ichibemba refers to the residence of a human being. Halach. Halach is to walk in Hebrew, to move along on foot, walk a journey, or to go. A similar word, alea, in Ichibemba means he or she is going somewhere. The next word is haim. Haim is they, masculine, plural. Imwe refers to third person plural in Ichibemba. Hen or henna is they, feminine, plural in Hebrew. Ena or ena is third person singular. And vena is plural, meaning they in Ichibemba. The next word we have is haras. This word is a verb, means to cast down, to ruin, or break into pieces by throwing or pulling down. Alasa means throwing something to hit another in Ichibemba. The next word is hoshek. Hoshek in Hebrew means the dark or the darkness. A similar word for hoshek in Ichibemba is wushiku. The next word is hodesh. Hodesh means a new moon or a new month. A similar Bemba word, umwenshi, also means the moon and the month. This next word, halal, means to shine brightly, to shine or cause another to shine through one's actions or words. Also in another form, it means to commend. Now, some of you may probably not be familiar with this expression. Ha la 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 is used to commend someone as a way of saying, well done or congratulations. Ezekiel 23 talks about two sinful sisters. These two women had a very bad reputation. In the Hebrew Bible, one was called Ohola and the other one Oholiba. A similar word to Ahola, which is Hole, is a prostitute in many Bantu languages. Shalom, shalom, shalom.